Hi guys, so if you watched the last video, we did the partial circle arc length or partial circumference. This video is going to focus on partial circles when we're calculating the area. Okay, it's very similar to the process of the last section, so we'll go quickly through that. Just a quick reminder, the area formula is what we're going to need for circles. Remember, area for a circle is take the radius, square it, and multiply it by pi. All right, so let's take a look at our first example. We've got this partial circle here with a radius of 2. So again, when calculating partial areas, consider the entire circle first. So what we're going to do is we're essentially going to find the area of this entire circle. Okay, we'll deal with the fact that it's a partial circle, or in this case a quarter circle, later on. So the first thing we're going to do is get the area of the entire circle. So area equals radius, which they gave us as 2, squared times pi. Area is equal to 4 pi. Now again, that's the area of the entire circle. We don't want the area of the entire circle. We're only interested in the area of this piece here, which is 1/4.
Where's Mama?
What's buddy?
Where's Mama?
She's upstairs.
Sorry.
It's okay. Since we are dealing with a quarter circle, what we're going to do is we're going to take the area that we found of the full circle and multiply that by 1/4. Multiplying 4 by 1/4, 4 times 1/4 is 1. So the area of this quarter circle is pi. Okay, if you plug that in as your answer, it would absolutely be correct. This is the exact answer. All right, in our next example, looks a little bit different, but the process is the same. What we're going to do is we're going to calculate the area of this partial circle. And if you notice here, this is 3/4 of a circle with 1/4 missing. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the area of this entire circle as if it was whole. Okay, we're going to do that first. We're going to worry about the fact that it's a partial circle later on. So let's calculate the area of the entire circle. Remember, the area formula for circles is area equals radius squared times pi. So let's take the radius, which they gave us is 4, square it, and multiply that by pi. Area equals 16 pi. Now again, that is the area of the entire circle. We don't want the entire circle. We only want, in this case, 3/4. So we get to this step, and let's go ahead and multiply our area that we got for the whole circle by 3/4. Okay, multiplying by fractions, take your whole number, 16 over 1, multiplied by 3/4. You can cross simplify, and 4 times 3 is 12. So the area of the partial circle is 12 pi. All right, and notice here in our last example, we have a semicircle. This is half a circle, and it gives us the diameter as 6. So again, we want to calculate the area of this partial circle. So what we're going to do first is we're going to consider the fact that we're going to find the area of the entire circle first. Okay, now when you're calculating the area of a circle, we need the radius. Well, they gave us the diameter. Now, if you remember, radius is equal to half the diameter, or the diameter divided by 2. So doing a quick calculation, radius is equal to 6 divided by 2 because 6 is our diameter, and in this case radius is equal to 3. Okay, so our radius is 3 in this case, and that's what we need for area. All right, so again, let's calculate the entire circle. Area is equal to radius squared times pi. Radius is 3. 3 squared times pi. Simplify it a little further. Area is equal to 9 pi. All right, and again, that gives us the area of this entire circle. We don't want the entire circle, we only want half. So at this step here, we're going to take our area that we found for the whole circle and multiply it by 1/2. Multiplying 1/2 by 9, you get 4.5. Leaving it in terms of pi, we have our final answer. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Find the Q&A page on the presentation that I sent out and ask your questions there. Bye, guys.